Today I'll tell you how you can mod your mini militia, as in you can make your sniper lobby, or if you want to get the unlimited health, unlimited boost, and every other feature that you can hack in. So the most basic thing that are required for this is that one is mini militia game, the normal APK. First, what you need to do, see, I've got one mini militia APK here, and the other thing that will be required is super patcher. So I'll share you the link in the description from wherein you can download that patcher. So let's start with the basic thing. You need to go to setting first of all, and go to application. Then you need to clear the data of data of your mini militia. See, because why we are doing it, I'll tell you that later on. So first, clear the data. You need to go to mini militia, storage, clear data, done. So the data is clear, the cache memory is also clear. Now why we are doing it, let's open mini militia so that I can show you. Yes, it's open. So now when you will go, like, why we did this, because that patcher does not work with our account. The account that we have logged in, it will not work with that. So we need to delete that, like, not delete it, we need to log out that account. So for that we clear all the data. Like, when see, you can in avatar, you can see you have no skill point, no kills, no, there's nothing at all. From, like, when we download it, it's that. So we have cleared it. Now you need to download that patcher. For that I'll share you the link in the description, so you can see it from here. This is the patch. When you will install it, you will come to see this basic screen. There are a few ads that are visible here. So, but yeah, you need to launch this application. Launch live patcher. Click on this. When you will click on it, this is just ad. Logo will come. Logo will open here. Click on this, open. So see, there are various features that are available here. What you can do is from here. See, there are like 360 firing on all guns used with that spray. Like, when you will fire the gun, it will fire the bullet in 360 way. There are like other features like unlimited battle points will be there. CTF always wins. Like, when you will select the blue team, whenever you will be in the blue team, that team will only win. No other, apart from that, no other team will win. So, like, the primary gun spawn will see that whenever you will take a birth, you will have sniper with you. See others, like, there are various feature, magic melee features also available. Whenever, like, you can hit other with just a single click on melee, you can kill anyone. The other feature, unlimited ammo, any weapon spawn lobby. Like, apart from that spawn point, you will find sniper gun everywhere. Even like wherever you get the health or the knife, you will get sniper over there. Everywhere there will be sniper. We can make a sniper mode. You can zoom in for all the other weapons. Walking, you can increase your walking speed. Also, there are various options. Like, suppose you can increase your speed also. Speed mode, bullet speed mode. See, the last thing is that you can, when you will click on this commander in chief option. Yeah, 1 second. Okay, yeah, when you will click on this, your mini militia, you will turn out to be a commander in chief. See, I'll show you how you can do that. See, that is open. Now you need to launch that modded game from here. Whenever you will click on it, that mini militia will open from here only. See, it's open. Click on this one. Okay, no issue. Click on setting. See, you have commander in chief option directly. Now you can change it from here. Like, suppose you want to, where is that? Yeah, see, the skills, you want to increase it to 87. Suppose you have got that, will change to 87. You can see it, you have 87 skill point. Whenever you will play the game, you will play with 87 skill point, and your logo will be, your position will be commander in chief. Now what you can see, you can host that. See, suppose if You need to create a lobby in pro lobby. No, you can create lobby in all that lobby that are available, but I'm creating right now in a pro lobby. So click host here with sniper lobby or anything that you want. See, I haven't added my pro pack here, so I can add pro pack. So I have this option from here. See, I have pro pack that is available. Store item unlock, all item will be unlocked. If you want to make unlimited health, that is also from there. So you need to wait if someone joins and we can play. See, few of them have joined, so now we can play. Start. Let's go. Teams are joining. You can team up from here. In the meanwhile, like when we are playing the game, we can also change in the between also. Like when you are, as of now you are having this option in the between also. If you want to change it to unlimited health, no one will be able to kill you. So you have such options in the between. See, now you guys can see the game is about to start. So you see I have unlimited flying option. I got killed. I have changed. I can just normally make a sniper lobby tool. So where is that sniper? I am not able to pick it up. Yes. See that these are two got killed. So that's all. See, as you can see, I've changed it, like I've changed it to no gravity. Then we can sit somewhere. But if we switch on this option, we have like we will be flying everywhere. So I'm just switching it off right now. Now you can see I'm on it. And now I'm both. We have various options available here. Thank you guys, as that was from my side. As I'll share you the link for that patcher in the description. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.